It's your girl Sin, and I'm back with another video. And if you want to see what I'm going to be doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
All right, y'all. At the time of this video, I don't even know if I will have posted the unboxing of what I'm going to be printing on today, because it really was kind of something that I was not expecting. All right, so I have right here in this box next to me a few items I'm going to be attempting to print on. Hopefully everything will turn out right. From the other video, I was not really sure if I was even going to be able to do anything with these masks. I mean, they are comfortable and breathable, but I don't know. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to come in here. Okay, I got some regular. I need to find small, if they have small. I don't remember if they have small. They might just have regular and large. But I want to believe I asked for a few small. Okay, do have a few extra large. So I'm going to take it that they do not have anything smaller than regular. So all right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pull this mask out. I'm gonna let y'all see it. This is what the masks are looking like right here, and what makes me think that I may not be able to print on them. Now right here, they are flat. They are flat right here, but when you pull this part up, you know, you don't want to have a print going across this part right here, and then when you pull this part up, it's just white. That's just gonna look super crazy, and I don't even know. So I'm gonna attempt to try to print on these masks. Hopefully I can do something useful. If not, I don't even know what I'm gonna do, because I just spent like $150 on all of this stuff right here, and that, you know, if I can't do anything with it, it's just a waste. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the designs and let y'all see the designs that I created. Just something quick, not nothing real fancy, but it's just for me and my two sons and my nephew, because we're going on a little trip pretty soon. So I wanted to make sure we all had masks just in case we needed to go inside a store or something. All right, y'all. I kind of really don't think this is gonna work at all for nothing that I need. I'm gonna let y'all see what it's looking like over here on the heat press, and right now I'm attempting to print with the Epson printer. So right here you see I have the mask laid out right here. This is what they're looking like. I mean, it's just really no way to lay them flat. It's just no way to lay them flat, and that was, I mean, I just asked for a flat mask. I asked for the masks to be made where they would be flat, so that I could sublimation print onto them. But as y'all see, these are not flat at all. And I mean, they are breathable. They are some nice masks, but they are, you know, if you say, okay, I want to buy a truck, and they give you a car, that, you know, that's basically what this is. I spent good money on these masks. I should have just been patient and waited, because it took over 2 months for them to come in, and then they are nothing. I can't do nothing with them. I'm still gonna attempt. All right, the printer just printed. One thing I'm having a hard time trying to figure out what size they're supposed to be. The designs are supposed to be. I'm gonna try to go with what I have here, but like I was saying, I'm pretty sure this is not gonna work. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work. I mean, not trying to be negative or nothing, but just trying to be honest and realistic. All right, so let me find my tape so I can try my best to get this on here as best that I can. All right, so I got this. This is gonna be the first one right here. I don't even know what to do, really. Let me just cut this off and try to line it up the best I can. But y'all be careful who y'all buy masks from. Make sure y'all buy them from somebody that can understand what y'all need, because I was thinking that, you know, everything was understood, but I don't even know. Let me see. I'm gonna grab some paper clips and see if I can clip this down. All right, so I just grabbed a few paper clips. So, I mean, it's really, I'm just trying to do the best that I can do just to see if I could at least, you know, see what things look like. I'm gonna do my best, try to paper clip this down on here and see if that can, you know, make it work some sort of a way. I don't know. And one of the reasons I did want to go ahead with this video is because the person did message me and was like, hey, how's the mask working? I mean, you kind of know how they working because you know how you made them, not what I was asking for. So I kind of I don't even know. But I'm just going to go with the flow, y'all. I'm going to just go with the flow because there's really nothing else I can do with these masks. I ordered them all white. And I don't know, maybe some people want white mask, I don't know, but I wouldn't want a white mask. Okay, so as you see, that's not even flat right there. So I don't even know. And I do have my Teflon pillow beneath here, so maybe that'll help. I don't know. I'm just gonna try and see. But we probably still gonna be rocking these masks tomorrow, just so we won't be kicked out of stores and stuff. I think I'm gonna just print 2 at a time. Just think we're gonna print 2 at a time, just so I can at least see how messed up they're gonna be. Cause I don't even know, y'all. I really don't know. Just trying to do this. Man, I really just hate that I wasted all of this money on these masks. Like, seriously. Because there's some other things I could have did with this money. I mean, it's a lot of charities that need donations if I'm going to be donating some money. But, hey. I mean, I don't even know, y'all. I don't even know, but we gonna try this and see. I'm gonna let y'all check it out. I mean, it just really ain't no way I can see this working right here. It's just not. And I guess I'm gonna get some tape and tape it down right here. Tape this part down and tape this part over here down. And we're gonna see if it works. Maybe God will allow it to work. That's all I can see. If it works, it'll be all God with the whole thing. All right, so we got this tape down pretty much. So I'm gonna bring, let me see, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top of it. And I'm gonna bring this around and I'm gonna go ahead and press it. Actually, and I know the pressure is probably too much on it, but we're gonna go with it like this. 2, 1. All right, we're gonna raise this up. We're gonna check it out. See what it look like. Ow! It's trying to burn my hands. I got some gloves over there on the other side, but it's all good on the gloves. I'm gonna have to use the gloves though. You see my gloves over there? Go ahead and pull this thing off and let y'all check it out. I know y'all just as anxious as I am to see what this hot mess is gonna look like. Like right here, y'all see that? I mean, you can't do nothing with it. You cannot sell this to anybody. You can't sell this to nobody. Y'all see what it's looking like? It's white spaces all in here. I mean, it would have been nice if you could not. Let me see. It would have been nice, and I'm having to try to get this safety, this pin out. Y'all see that? let me see. I can take it off now. But y'all see right here, this is basically what it's looking like. A hot waste of money mess. Y'all see that? Y'all see that right there? I mean, you can't do nothing with that. You can't do nothing with that. When it's like this is, you know, it looks fine like this, but when you put it on the way that it's meant to be worn, you can't do nothing with it. So right here, let me go ahead. Okay, that's not hot like I was thinking. Go ahead and take this off. And as you see, I mean, it would have been nice, but it's nothing. You can't do nothing with this. I mean, you just can't do nothing with it. I could try again and just have this white down here and up here, but I just don't even think that's gonna look good. I don't know. I'm gonna try it again and do that. Even though I don't think that's gonna look good. That, I mean, I don't even know, y'all. But that's what I'm gonna do. Toss this in the trash. I'm gonna give it one more go and see what y'all think. What I'm gonna try to do, let me go get this other mask on this side over here. So basically what I'm gonna try to do now is, because, like with this design, because this design is a little bit different, and I still don't think it's gonna look right, but we gonna go with it. We gonna go with it. We just gonna put this swag right here so that it's covering the white part right there. So this covering this white part right here, and hopefully this will work out. And I don't even know. It may be too big to go on there. Let me see. I think that's gonna be the top. We're gonna go with that as being the top. So we're gonna put this right here. And we just gonna try it. Cause that's about all I can do is try right now. Try that, and then I'm gonna cut this one out. Just gonna swing. Let me get another sheet and put on top. All right, we're gonna put this on top. And we're gonna swing this bad boy around and press. And we're gonna see how this thing work out. We're gonna check this out. We're gonna check this out and see what it's looking like. All right, this still was folded up, but y'all see how this is right here? It's still really can't do nothing with this. I mean, y'all see, it's right here. I'm gonna put this on. It's hot. I'm gonna let this cool off, and then I'm gonna put this on. But this is, I really can't do nothing with this, y'all. So I'm gonna take my glasses off. All right, so we got this mask right here. And I'm gonna put it on, let y'all see what it looks like. Now, if I leave it like this, where it's not really on me, I don't even know. But this is how you're supposed to wear the mask right here. And I wouldn't want to wear this. I really don't. I don't even know. But here's what it's looking like. Empty white space right here, white space right here. It's just, and then it's got some other little marks. I don't even know, y'all. I don't know. But here's my mask failure video. Y'all be careful if y'all spending a lot of money on masks, buying it from people that may not have the same vision that you have. I don't know, that say they understand, that take a long time. I don't even know. I should have never got myself in this situation, but hey, I'm doing this video. Hopefully y'all can learn from it and see. I mean, it's nothing can be done with these masks, really can't. But I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. Y'all know how to follow me on Instagram and that Print Squad group on Facebook, and I'll see you guys in another video. Print Squad out.